Imagine you could talk to a machine that can write anything you want, answer any question, and do any task you need. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Meet ChatGPT Enterprise, the new version of OpenAI's groundbreaking language model ChatGPT, tailored for business use cases. This video will show you what ChatGPT Enterprise can do for you and your organization, and why it could be the next big thing in artificial intelligence. So what is ChatGPT Enterprise? To understand that, we need to first understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a language model that can interact conversationally. A language model is a system that can generate natural language text based on some input. For example, if you give it a prompt like, write a poem about love, it can produce something like this. Love is a feeling that transcends time and space. It fills our hearts with joy and grace. It makes us brave and strong and kind. It heals our wounds and soothes our minds. ChatGPT is not just any language model. It is one of the most advanced and powerful language models ever created. It is based on ChatGPT-4, the latest version of OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformer GPT series. GPT-4 is a massive neural network trained on billions of words from the internet, including books, articles, blogs, social media posts, and more. It can generate coherent and diversive text on almost any topic, style, or tone. It can also follow instructions, answer questions, write code, analyze data, create graphics, and more. ChatGPT is a fine-tuned version of GPT-4 that has been trained specifically for dialogue. It can understand the context and intent of the user's input and provide relevant and engaging responses. It can also handle follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. ChatGPT can be used for various purposes: entertainment, education, research, productivity, creativity, and more. OpenAI launched ChatGPT in November 2022 as a research preview. They invited users to try it out for free at chat.openai.com and give feedback on its strengths and weaknesses. They also released some samples of ChatGPT's conversations on various topics, such as debugging code, writing lyrics, playing games, giving advice, and more. The sample showed how ChatGPT can handle different scenarios with humor, intelligence, empathy, and personality. ChatGPT has become a widely popular tool used by users from all walks of life, according to OpenAI's blog post. It has been adopted by over 80% of Fortune 500 companies. Business leaders are keen to use ChatGPT in their organizations with enhanced security and customization features. In response to this need, OpenAI has introduced ChatGPT Enterprise, a subscription plan offering all the benefits of ChatGPT and additional features designed explicitly for enterprise use cases. One of the most significant advantages of ChatGPT Enterprise is its security and privacy features. With ChatGPT Enterprise, you own, control your business data, and OpenAI does not train on your data or conversations, nor do their models learn from your usage. ChatGPT Enterprise is SOC 2 compliant, and all conversations are encrypted in transit and at rest. You can manage your team members easily with domain verification, single sign-on (SSO), and usage insights. Another significant feature of ChatGPT Enterprise is its higher speed access to GPT-4. With ChatGPT Enterprise, you can use GPT-4 as much as you want without limitations or delays. ChatGPT Enterprise also performs up to 2 times faster than regular ChatGPT. ChatGPT Enterprise is a versatile tool that can cater to various use cases. One of the most important ones is customer service. It can provide 24/7 support to your customers with natural and engaging conversations. Moreover, it can handle complex queries, escalate issues, and integrate with your CRM systems. Another critical area where ChatGPT Enterprise can help is sales and marketing. It can generate leads, qualify prospects, and close deals with pervasive and personalized messages. Additionally, it can create catchy slogans, headlines, and copy for your campaigns to ensure that you stand out from the competition. ChatGPT Enterprise can create interactive and adaptive learning experiences for your students or employees if you're in the education or training sector. It can also generate quizzes, summaries, feedback, and certificates. Finally, ChatGPT Enterprise can create immersive and captivating stories, characters, dialogues, and scenarios for your games or media projects if you're in the entertainment or gaming industry. It can also generate jokes, riddles, trivia, and more to keep your audience entertained and engaged. ChatGPT Enterprise allows you to process 4 times longer inputs or files with 32K token context windows, making it easier to handle more complex tasks without losing track of the conversation. This feature is especially useful for businesses that require more information to be processed by ChatGPT. Moreover, ChatGPT Enterprise offers unlimited access to advanced data analysis capabilities, enabling technical and non-technical teams to analyze information in seconds. For instance, financial researchers can crunch market data, marketers can analyze survey results, and data scientists can debug ETL scripts. Finally, ChatGPT Enterprise provides customization options to tailor ChatGPT to your specific needs and preferences. You can choose from different models such as balanced, creative, and precise to adjust the level of creativity and accuracy of ChatGPT's responses. You can also create chat templates for your company to collaborate and build common workflows. ChatGPT Enterprise is an excellent tool for businesses looking to enhance their chatbot capabilities, with advanced features designed specifically for enterprise use cases. These are just some of the features that ChatGPT Enterprise offers. There are many more that you can explore and discover by yourself. ChatGPT Enterprise is available for purchase now. If interested, you can contact OpenAI sales team for a quote and demo. ChatGPT Enterprise is a powerful tool that can help your organization in many ways. One of its main benefits is that it can help you improve your communication skills. Whether you need to write an email, a report, a presentation, or a speech, ChatGPT Enterprise can assist you with generating clear, concise, and compelling texts. It can suggest the best words and phrases, help you structure your ideas effectively, and provide feedback on grammar, style, and tone. Moreover, you can use ChatGPT Enterprise to practice your speaking skills by conversing with it on various topics. It can simulate different scenarios such as job interviews, sales pitches, or customer support, and give you personalized feedback on your performance. Using ChatGPT Enterprise to improve your communication skills can save time, reduce errors, and increase your impact. Another advantage of ChatGPT Enterprise is that it can help you boost your productivity and efficiency. Whether you need to code, debug, test, or deploy a software project, ChatGPT Enterprise can help you write code, find errors, suggest solutions, and more. It can integrate with your favorite development tools such as IDEs, version control systems, or project management platforms, and streamline your workflow. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT Enterprise to automate repetitive tasks such as scheduling meetings, sending reminders, or generating invoices. It can learn from your past behavior, adapt to your preferences, and predict your future needs, thus allowing you to focus on more valuable and creative tasks. Using ChatGPT Enterprise to boost your productivity and efficiency, you can achieve more with less effort and time and increase your satisfaction and motivation. It is important to note that ChatGPT Enterprise is not a general-purpose artificial intelligence system, but rather a specialized language model that can only work with text inputs and outputs. Finally, it is still in beta testing and may have bugs or errors that must be fixed before being deployed in production environments. ChatGPT Enterprise is imperfect and has some limitations and challenges you should be aware of. For example, it may sometimes write plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers, especially when encountering rare or ambiguous prompts. This is because it does not have a source of truth during reinforcement learning training and relies on the data it has seen on the internet. Also, it may be sensitive to tweaks to the input, phrasing, or attempting the same prompt multiple times. For instance, given one phrasing of a question, the model can claim to not know the answer, but given a slight rephrase, it can answer correctly. This is because it tries to match the input with the most similar pattern learned from the data. Finally, ChatGPT Enterprise may often be excessively lengthy and overuse certain phrases, such as restating that it is a language model trained by OpenAI. This is because of biases in the training data and well-known over-optimization issues. Therefore, it is important to use ChatGPT Enterprise with care, critical thinking, and human oversight, and not rely solely on its outputs. These issues are not unique to ChatGPT Enterprise. They are common challenges in the field of natural language generation and understanding. OpenAI is aware of these issues and is working hard to improve them in future versions of their models. In conclusion, ChatGPT Enterprise is a new version of OpenAI's groundbreaking language model, ChatGPT, tailored for business use cases. It offers enterprise-grade security and privacy, unlimited high-speed GPT-4 access, longer context windows for processing longer inputs, advanced data analysis, capabilities, customizable options, and much more. It can help you improve your communication skills, boost your productivity and efficiency, enhance your creativity and innovation, learn new things, expand your knowledge, and much more. It could be the next big thing for your organization.